Hello, my name is Sunidhi Singh. We are participating in the Smart India Hackathon 2024 and our problem title is Integrating Industry Relevant Vocational Training for Elementary and Secondary Education using Virtual Reality. Integrating vocational training into elementary and secondary education can enhance industry relevance, aligning educational outcomes with world job requirements. Traditional practices rely heavily on physical interaction and conventional teaching methods, often failing to engage students or make complex topics understandable. Virtual reality technology will be employed to bridge this gap, offering immersive interactive learning that can make vocational subjects more accessible, engaging, and aligned with industry needs. Current practices in vocational training often need more real-time experience and exposure, limiting students' ability to grasp practical skills effectively. Even when such experiences are available, they are usually costly and expensive and also unreliable, making it difficult for educational institutions to provide consistent, high-quality training that fully prepare students for industrial demand. Introducing virtual reality VR-based training, an advanced technology solution that has the potential to revolutionize the education system. VR enables students to learn and train in immersive environments, allowing them to visualize and easily understand complex concepts. Leveraging cutting-edge VR and 3D modeling techniques, this approach provides a comprehensive and engaging representation of educational content, transforming traditional learning into an interactive and experiential process. The implementation plan focuses on integrating real-life practices with virtual reality to create an immersive training environment. A user-friendly workspace will be developed, allowing users to engage with realistic simulations and gain practical training. The solution will utilize various advanced technologies, including game engines such as Unity or Unreal Engine for environment building. The VR solutions will include the VR software development kit, the SDKs like Oculus or Unity's XRI for implementing VR functionalities, and a combination of 2D and 3D assets to enhance visual realism. VR hardware such as the headsets and motion controllers will deliver an engaging and interactive user experience, making the training more intuitive, immersive, and effective. Implementing real-world scenarios using 3D objects, assets, and environments in VR offers several advantages. It provides users with hands-on experience, fostering practical involvement, deeper understanding, and more precise insights into complex topics. This technology involves learners to access training, making education more accessible and flexible. Additionally, VR-based training is highly reliable and risk-free, minimizing the potential for accidents while providing a safe learning environment and skill development environment. The process of implementation is as follows. First will be the planning phase, in which the planning of the entire project will be done and defining of object will be executed. After the planning phase will come the designing phase. In this phase, the storyboard prototype will be made. The next will be the development phase, in which the development will be done. The next will be the deployment phase, inside which the content creation and VR development and testing will be done. After deploying, the implementation will lead us to the evaluation phase. First, the user will enter into the VR training screen. By entering into that, the user will get to see a home scene, and by getting into the home scene, the user will be able to see two options. First will be for the elementary education and the second will be for secondary education. When the user wants to get the elementary education, the user will click on it, and after entering into that, the user will go into a new scene, and inside that scene will be various options for the user to learn. One of the options would be road safety, and by clicking on the road safety, the user will again get into a new road safety scene where there will be various options for the user to perform. Whereas if the user enters into the secondary education scene, the user will similarly get into a new scene, and for him there will be various options to get inside it. When the user clicks on one of the options, it will take him to the biology lab which we will be creating. Similarly to that, there will be other options for the user to get inside and learn. Incorporating virtual training into education system represents a transformative step towards intelligent education. By embracing cutting-edge technologies like virtual reality, we empower students with immersive hands-on learning experiences that equip students with practical skills, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application and fostering an immersive learning experience into students.